Hello dear students, welcome to another videos on the topic pronouns. So in the previous video, we learned about pronoun and its type. Today we are going to learn about reflexive pronoun. Previously we learned about personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Today we will look into reflexive pronoun. So let's go to the next slide and check about. So now let's learn about reflexive pronoun. In the word reflexive means a reflection. Now let's see what a reflexive pronoun means. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or things. Reflexive pronouns ends in self or self. They are myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, ourselves, themselves. So here a reflexive, as I have mentioned in the beginning, reflexive means a reflection. Now let's take an example of a mirror. So when you stand in front of the mirror, what do you see? You see the reflection of yourself. You and the person who is there in the mirror are same. So here it means that when the subject and the object talks about or tell us about the same thing or the same person, then we are going to use a reflexive pronoun. That pronoun is called a reflexive pronoun. So subject and object we learned before also. What is subject and object? Subject is a telling part and object is a doing part. So now let's see. Okay, let me explain once again. When we talk about, when the subject and the object talks about the same person or things, then that pronouns are called reflexive pronouns. Okay, now example, the best example is a mirror. When you stand in front of the mirror, what do you see in a mirror? That is a reflection. So you see the reflection of yourself. So you and the reflection that is in the mirror are same. Okay, now let's see this in an example. The boy hurt himself. So now himself, the boy is a subject, hurt himself. Now himself is in the place of object. Now so himself and the boy tells us about the same thing. Okay, the word boy and himself are same. It talks about the same subject. Okay, that is a boy. So here himself is a reflexive pronoun. Let's see the next. I painted the wall myself. So myself. I is a subject, myself is an object. So here it tells that nobody but the subject, that is I, only did the work, that is painted. So nobody else did but myself. I myself painted the wall. Okay, I painted the wall myself. Nobody else but the same person did whatever it's going on, whatever the subject is doing. Only that particular subject is doing the thing, not anyone else. So I painted the wall myself. I is a subject and myself is a reflexive pronoun now. Next example, she talked to herself when she's scared. So whom she talks, she talks to? She talks to herself. Now she and herself are the same person or thing. Okay, here it is a same person. Okay, as I have mentioned, when the subject and the object tell us about the same person or thing. Now here also the case is same. She talks to herself when she is scared. When she's scared, what she do? She talks to whom? To herself. Okay, she is doing the thing which reflect the subject. Okay, so the subject and the object reflect each other. So this is subject and the object part herself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay children, so this is about reflexive pronoun. Now let's see the chart of pronoun which we have learned in the previous video also. Let's see. Now let's look into the chart of pronouns. So we learned the three types of pronoun, that is personal, possessive and reflexive pronoun. So when we say personal pronoun, we talk about three person. It tells about, it refers to three person, first person, second person and third person. And they have two form, that is singular and plural form. So in personal pronoun, we have subject, object pronoun, then we have possessive pronoun, then we learn about reflexive pronoun. So let's see the pronouns. First person singular, I, me, my, mine, myself. Plural, we, us, ours, ourselves. Second person singular, you, yours, yourself. Plural, you, yours, yourself. Third person singular, male, he, his, him, himself. Female, she, her, hers, herself. Neuter, it, its, itself. Plural, they, them, theirs, and themselves. So these are about the pronouns. Okay, children, so we'll meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.